Just so you know, you're about to lose them numbers, so let's get it fixed by next session, okay?
Okay, got it.
You're good. Let's go.
Yo, what's up YouTube? Jonathan Golden with the GT3, and we're going to the track, Buttonwillow Speed Districts. I'm gonna go for the #1 time today. We'll see what I can do. But it's one of my favorite tracks, Buttonwillow. I've been there a few times now. I think this is gonna be my third time, if I'm not mistaken. I gotta check the YouTube channel. But yeah, I just want to bring you guys along for the track day. Enjoying the car. It's been in the shop. We got Pilot Sport Cup 2s on the car. That's a little, I think, worse than the Pirelli Trofeo R. So I don't know about my time today. Last time I got a 158.1. Today I'm going to try to break that. The temperature is a little bit cooler, so hopefully I can do that. And also I might get a little instructor just to sit down with me and say, you know, what I'm doing wrong, or if I can improve certain areas. So I'm going to bring you guys along. We're going to hit 150 miles per hour probably today on the track, and yeah, can't wait. Excited. And comment down below what you think. Give me a thumbs up, like that YouTube video, because it helps me out, helps me boost engagement in YouTube, and yeah, it gives me some feedback on the channel as well. So love you guys. Let's have a safe day. The roll bar, update on the roll bar, it wasn't able to be installed. There was some powder coat issues, so it's in powder coat right now. It's going to be red, and I can't wait. So, and the seat wasn't in. I have a seat. I'll link it right now, boom, or show it. And it's a Sparco Ergo I decided to go with because the sides of the headrest are removable, and I guess to have the side pieces, it's illegal. So yeah, if it's a removable, then you can put the pieces on when you're at track, because it does create blind spots that could be dangerous if you're not a pro driver like me. So anyways, see you guys at the track. Boom, bye. Guys, we're here, but look at this fog. It's like you can't even, where's the track? It's fog. right, guys, what'd you think of the track day? Hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. I wish I could spend every weekend at the track, but it does eat some of the tires up quite a bit. And with a busy work schedule, can't get out there. But at least once a month, I try to go to the track. So I hope you guys enjoyed that footage of the onboard. My lap time did improve from a 158 to a 155, if I'm not mistaken, or 156. But I think that was due to the fact that there was a huge weather change. I think about 20 degrees cooler Fahrenheit. I think it was 90 degrees the last time there, and then now 70. So the faster or the colder weather does improve lap times. So that's one way to get faster on the track. And also, you know, the car performs a little bit better, as you guys know, in cooler temperatures, especially turbo cars. They really like the cold air intake. But I learned a lot. I met a lot of cool people. I met Will at WWR Racing. Hey, Will, if you're watching. He was super helpful and knowledgeable. He races in some of the series, SCCA and NASA, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, you guys can look him up on Instagram, WWR. I'll link it down below. But he was super cool. I don't know if you guys saw on the onboard, there was a little data logger in my car, which was cool. He's like, hey, just throw this in the car. I'm like, what is it? He's like, yeah, we're gonna run the data. I'm like, all right, whatever. So I did some laps. I don't know if you guys saw the first couple laps. I had that data logger in, but we compared the data versus his car, like his lap times. And when I was taking off, he said, hey, come over here, come check out the data. And you can literally see where I messed up on the track. So instead of me blindly going out there like 5 or 6 times, you know, I did improve some areas because you can kind of like get comfortable and know the line and everything like that. But if you really want to get faster, highly recommend, you know, reaching out to a race team or Will at WWR. They can analyze your data in the car and they can coach you to get faster. Because when you're out there by yourself, you're not really improving anything. I mean, you could, but you might as well use the technology that we have today. And basically, I was gonna go over the corners with you guys on like where I messed up and where I can improve for next time. So just so I can have a little refresher when I watch this video again. So I'll link up, there's a map of the track. I'll link it up. There's like certain corners that are labeled different things. So it's not like, I mean, there is turn 1, but they call it something else. So down the straight to Sunrise, which is turn 1, my data versus his data, I could have braked 100 feet later versus his car. My brakes did feel a little bit spongy, so I was kind of braking earlier. I don't know if that's the fluid or what's going on, but I gotta check that out. So turn 1, 100 feet. And basically throughout the whole track, I could carry more speed. He does have a different alignment setup so that a little bit better brakes. He's got springs in the car and he's got this big wing. He was in front of me taking off at that first takeoff in the pits. So his car is a little different. I don't know if that helps, but he is definitely a better driver. And through bus stop, could have carried more speed. There's a long corner, it's called Truck Stop to Riverside, that long loop. You definitely can carry more speed. That's more of like an intimidation factor for me. Also, the drag strip, everything was good, just can carry more speed. The S's, where it goes squiggle on the on the track on the back end section, I could go flat out. I did go flat out like towards the end when he told me that, but most of the time I would lift off or run into traffic at the last kind of turn. It's kind of a gutsy, ballsy move too to go flat out through there. And then the last corner, it's called Sunset. I could have braked 100 feet again later. So two huge corners. I think turn 1, the last corner, and then turn 1, I could have jumped 100 feet, braked 100 feet more, and it can carry speed around the track. So how to go faster? Basically, get some balls and go faster. Go around the track faster, carry more speed, but also have data
to work with. You know, Formula One drivers, I watch Formula One all the time. They have the data, they have the tools and technology. So I wanted to share that information with you guys. Hope you found the video helpful. I got some more videos if you want to check out at the track. You can check them here. You know, I'm going to just put them right here. And if you want to look at track days, Streets of Willow, Buttonwillow, more track days, I'm going to just put them here, somewhere here. I'm trying something else new.